Litecoin, often hailed as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, stands as a testament to the potential of cryptocurrencies. Envisioned as an alternative to Bitcoin, its legacy is not just its longevity but its sustained relevance in the fast-evolving crypto landscape. Genesis and evolution. In 2011, Charlie Lee, an accomplished software engineer previously associated with Google, introduced Litecoin to the world. Lee observed Bitcoin's escalating traction and perceived an opportunity to address some of its inefficiencies. Dr. Alexander Rothman, a historian specializing in crypto, remarks, Litecoin's arrival was monumental. It validated the blockchain premise beyond Bitcoin, marking an evolution in digital finance. While many digital currencies have debuted since, few have maintained the consistent prominence of Litecoin. Technological foundations of Litecoin. SCRYPT algorithm. At Litecoin's core is the SCRYPT hashing algorithm. Distinct from Bitcoin's SHA-256, SCRYPT is more memory-intensive. It levels the mining playing field, allowing individuals with GPU setups to compete, thereby preventing centralization of mining operations. Sarah Mitchell, a crypto developer, elucidates the SCRYPT algorithm, by design, thwarts large-scale custom hardware attacks. It's an exemplification of Litecoin's vision to maintain decentralization. Enhanced block generation. A standout feature of Litecoin is its 2.5-minute block generation time, a quarter of Bitcoin's 10-minute rate. This accelerated pace ensures rapid transaction validation, a compelling advantage in real-time trade scenarios. 84 million supply cap. Doubling down on scarcity with a cap of 84 million coins, Litecoin ensures longevity while potentially driving up demand. Tech journalist Lila Thompson observes, while Bitcoin introduced the world to cryptocurrencies, Litecoin showcased that the technology was far from its zenith. Litecoin's financial imprint. Litecoin's underpinnings have facilitated its infiltration into various financial niches. Micropayments. Due to its swift transaction capability coupled with diminutive fees, Litecoin is a preferred choice for platforms demanding microtransactions, from gaming ecosystems to digital content platforms. Atomic swaps. Venturing into uncharted territories, Litecoin successfully tested and implemented atomic swaps. This innovation allows direct cryptocurrency exchanges, sidestepping third-party involvement. LitePay. Although it didn't see the light of day, LitePay's vision, to simplify LTC payments for businesses and consumers, epitomized Litecoin's aspiration to mainstream crypto commerce. Crypto economist, Dr. Alicia Martinez, weighs in. Litecoin, while fundamentally a cryptocurrency, has always exhibited an ambition to redefine traditional financial paradigms. Challenges and controversies. Like any luminary in the tech domain, Litecoin has weathered its share of storms. LitePay's demise. Positioned as a groundbreaking initiative, LitePay's abrupt termination in 2018 stunned the community. It underscored the intricate challenges in harmonizing crypto mechanisms with traditional financial infrastructures. Charlie Lee's LTC sale. The cryptosphere buzzed with debates when Lee announced the sale of his LTC holdings in 2017, aiming to prevent a conflict of interest. Critics argued it indicated dwindling confidence in Litecoin's potential, while proponents praised his effort to maintain Litecoin's decentralized vision. Jenna Harlow, a seasoned financial analyst, opines, Litecoin's trajectory is punctuated with peaks and valleys. Its endurance, however, signifies its robust foundational principles and adaptability. Impact on the financial industry. Litecoin's existence and innovations have certainly rippled through the financial sector. Trading platforms. Litecoin has been readily adopted by numerous trading platforms, with many offering LTC as a primary trading pair. Its liquidity and volatility make it an attractive asset for traders and investors. Retail acceptance. A rising number of merchants globally now accept Litecoin, a sign of its growing legitimacy in the broader shift toward crypto commerce. Marcus Boyle, a fintech consultant, states, "The integration of Litecoin into mainstream financial channels is more than symbolic. It's a precursor to the impending crypto-centric financial epoch." Future projections. With the crypto realm's relentless evolution, Litecoin's journey remains fraught with both opportunities and obstacles. Quantum computing poses a latent threat to cryptographic security, while emerging altcoins with niche innovations incessantly challenge market positions. However, Rajiv Desai, a DeFi strategist, muses, "The ethos of Litecoin is adaptation. It's never been about just surviving, but about evolving in tandem with, if not ahead of, the crypto zeitgeist." Conclusion. Beyond its technicalities, Litecoin's narrative is one of ambition, resilience, and pioneering spirit. In the grand tapestry of cryptocurrencies, Litecoin has not just been a witness but an active participant and influencer, continuously carving its niche and legacy. Whether as a viable financial asset, a technological marvel, or an embodiment of decentralized ideals, Litecoin's impact is indelible.